gustong mag-rent, mga kabayan, dito po, Building 42 sa may Bin Umran area. Puntahan nyo guys, or I will pin the number of this brother Hussein. Guys, nagpatulong to siya ng sino daw gustong mag-rent sa bahay na to, flat na to. Mafi furniture, bathroom. Hadi kam? 5,500. Hada kabir. Badin AC sa we repair. Kam hamam? 3 bathroom and hadi kitchen. Guys. Guys, brother. 1 room. Not so big. Nice view. Mafi furniture, mafi ref. No. Small one. 2. Then 3. Okay, free bathroom here. Siguro na ito siguro yung master's bedroom. Then this one, the view papuntang Almira ng Bin Umran. Yan lang yung bahay namin guys. Yan. So sa gusto po, kukunin ko yung number ni brother. Hadin hamam, another bathroom. So 3 bathroom, 3 rooms, and 1 kitchen. Okay, sa mga interesado, ilagay ko yung number ni brother dito. So, okay, anak alam friend. I will tell them, okay? Brother? Okay. Friend tani.